तो बहुत ही बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट है फाइनली, जिसका हमें कुछ दिनों से संकेत मिले थे, फाइनली हैपन हो चुकी है दोस्तों। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना इस वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कर देना, बिकॉज दिस इज़ समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैपन हेयर एंड जिसकी हमें बहुत देर से दोस्तों आशा थी। सो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड इज, सो उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बिग ब्रेकिंग जस्ट नाउ इट हैज़ हैपेंड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट today दोस्तों। So in the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in the matter of MC Singla and ORS versus the Union of India, एफिडेविट एक नया फाइल हो गया है दोस्तों। आई ब्राजेश्वर शर्मा जी, सन ऑफ लेट श्री मुक्ति नाथ शर्मा जी, 61 ईयर्स, जो कि एडवाइज़र हैं हमारे HR एंड IR इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन के, do hereby solemnly affirm and sincerely state that the deponent is engaged as senior advisor HR and IR with the respondent number 3 in the present petition, and as well as acquainted with the fact of the case, and hence I am competent to swear this affidavit that this honorable court on 20th November 22 has been pleased to pass the following order. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gautam, learned counsel appearing for respondent including IBA, submits that the committee which was supposed to consider the representation claim of the petitioners and similarly placed person is required to be reconstituted as the chairman of committee is demitting office. So in the circumstances we give 3 months time to IBA to do the needful and submit appropriate report regarding the decisions taken. So Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gautam ji, learned counsel, appeared for the respondent including IBA, submit that committee which was supposed to consider the representation claim of the petitioner and similarly placed person is required to be reconstituted as the chairman of committee is demitting office. So in the circumstances we give 3 months of time. तो यहाँ पे 3 months of time दिया गया है to the IBA to do the needful and submit appropriate report regarding the decisions taken on the proposal. So if final decision cannot be reached, the IBA association must submit interim report before the next date of the hearing. List these matters after 3 months that the committee found by IBA for the purpose above discussed all aspects and also heard the representatives of various workmen unions and office associations, and the committee has concluded as under that IBA respondent number 3 is an association of banks and it's negotiate with the workmen union officer associations of member banks on the basis of specific mandate to negotiate in this regard received from such member banks, that the service conditions of the workmen employees are governed by the SAI award and SASTRI award passed by the Industrial Tribunal as amended thereafter by the various bipartite settlements signed between IBA on behalf of member banks which have provided the aforesaid mandate and the various workmen unions from time to time under the provision of Industrial Dispute Act 1947, and last such BPS has been signed on 11/11/20, and thus the service condition of workmen employees are based on the negotiated settlement signed between the parties from time to time. So ये यहाँ पे बोला गया है दोस्तों। उसके अलावा क्या यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है, द सेट BPS and joint note culminating in framing of the statutory regulations by the respective member banks titled as Pension Regulations 1995, framed in exercise of the powers of Board of Directors of the respective member banks under Section 19 of the Banking Companies, the previous approval of central government. So these Pension Regulations 1995 have been notified in the official gazette on 29 September 1995. The employees and officers who opted for pension in lieu of their bank's contribution of PF within the specified period either refunded or authorized the respective PF trust to the respective fund trust So additionally, contributions were also made to the pensioners fund by employers and banks based on the actuarial calculations. So hence the pension fund of the member banks for the payment of pension therefrom have been created by the contribution from the bank employees and officers and not from any government grant. बहुत सही है. The bank's employees and officers has given up one benefit of provident fund contribution. The fall in the pension fund maintained by the bank is funded by respective bank based on the actuarial calculations. तो यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रेंड्स नहीं होती है. So that so far as the pension which is being paid to central government employees is not paid from the pension fund created by the contribution of employees but is treated as revenue expenditure, जो कि बजट के एलोकेशन से दिया जाता है. So that there is no provision in pension regulations in 1995 for any updation in the pension of banks, that therefore it would neither be appropriate in principle nor would be financially viable. तो ये यहाँ पे important है. For updation of pension at par with the central government employees, particularly when there is no parity between two set of employees, that is central employees, that pension is paid not out of pension fund but treated as a revenue expenditure. तो ये अप्रूवेड नहीं होगा उन दोनों को कंपैरिजन करने के लिए. एंड इट इज़ फर्दर मोस्ट respectfully submitted that Indian Bank Association, that is respondent number 3 in the present situation as mentioned herein, is an association of bank and is neither the state nor the instrumentality of state, and therefore petition under article 226 of Constitution of India is not maintainable against the IBA. So I say the content of above affidavits are true and correct. So ये है दोस्तों जो एफिडेविट अभी एज पर द सोर्सेज फाइल हुआ है. सो अगेन वी डोंट नो यहाँ पे कितना सही है ये. सो दिस इज इन द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया, कितना फॉल्स है. बट दीज आर द एफिडेविट कॉपीज दैट आर इन सर्कुलेशन इन द सोशल मीडिया डोमेन. Special leave to appeal number 5561 by 2016 MC Singla and ORS versus यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. सो देखते हैं दोस्तों इसमें क्या यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है फॉर द बैंक पेंशनर्स इन द MC Singla केस. So for a time being that's all for the session. So please subscribe to the channel and please re-verify the information. So that's all. Thank you, and you can support us by subscribing the channel and the join button. That's all. Thanks all.